Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys can see me clearly. I'm outside for the first time in a while, and guess what? Guys, we're over the 70 mark. I'm so happy. Guys. The happy man, the happy. And you wondering what I'm wearing. What's away? What's Allah? Guys, it's literally like almost like we're almost on level 3, I think. Well, yeah. Today's a Saturday. It is what it is. It does what it does. And guess what, guys? I'm having a Jameson today. It's my last bit. Obviously, you guys have been seeing the aesthetics. Ngiyabona nje siyahephena. Oh god, I got lipstick on my teeth. Niyazi ke nani guys ukuthi sila manje. So yeah, what I'm wearing, as you can see, this beautiful darling, beautiful. Msho niyabona nganoma sengcolile ke inhwa phela ngiyatshela wena. Hey guys, it's so nice to support young black women in business. I'm just gonna like pour a little bit of water. Thank God we're outside. Goa. I'm emanzini. Oh gosh, guys, Jameson. I'm not gonna mix it with anything today because very doesn't go dizzy. See, don't go dizzy. I hope the sound is good here. Yeah, and ngiyameltha. Ngishisela kodwa ngigodola kyabanda niyazi nani. So as I was saying, guys, what I'm wearing, okay, it actually comes with a free mask and free delivery. It's a very good like friend of mine who makes these. She actually makes these, guys. She makes this. This is her brand, as you can see. Hamba yedwa. Her name is Onela Joni. So it's OJ. So you just look for OJ and this bicycle. This is her bicycle, like, you know. This is her brand. She created this. And I think it's so cute. It's so lovely, darling. It is so pretty. I decided to wear my, me and color blocking. I don't know if you can see. What's feeling? But see up the Jameson, guys. I suppose not. What is this product placement? You know, but I just really lifestyle, guys. It's siapila. Oh my god. JB. The reason why I'm even sweating, I think, it has pockets, guys. It has pockets. It has these pockets. It has these pockets. And it has this pocket. Okay? That's what's up. Like, it is what it is. She is the girl that she thinks she is. Because she is. Okay? Today I'm gonna try and keep it short. What Jamie? Hamba nabanye naye ke. Self. Hamba nabanye. Yeah, guys, I wanted to sing a song for you. The name of the song is called Uthando. As you all know. I mean, this was my first song ever that ever like was played on radio ever. You know? Ever. Ever hearing myself on the radio. Ever hearing myself at the club. Ever. And then my school back on DJ was, oh, what's special about you? Okay, I hope you guys can hear this. Okay, I'm just gonna sing it, and I pray to God this is not as long as I would like for it to be. ney'ngane nakamakhelwane zibangumsindo. Ngiyakutshela wena. I think I'm gonna come closer. Journey lapha. Yeah, let me just come closer. Kinga ngensangibona. Wait. Hectic. Okay. Oh girl. Gabadia. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. So get my posted. Guys, it's a hoodie. Like, can you imagine? Yo. I'm so in love. Like, I'm so in love. And black, you know, black is my favorite color. Black is the color. Okay, I'm gonna sing the song and hopefully ease nje zakamakhelwane ngezibanga umsindo ney'ngane zakamakhelwane lezi bangumsindo ngezwakali, and hopefully you can hear me better than you hear them. Okay. Noma ngikhuluma ngezilimi sabantu nezingelosi, kepha ngingenalo uthando. Ngithusi elikencezayo nensimbi encencethayo. Uthando alisikhukhumezi. Uthando alusikabisi. Uthando luyabekezela. Uthando lumnene. Akukho ukwesaba othandweni, kepha uthando lukholwa izinto zonke. Uthando alusikhukhumezi. Uthando alusikabisi. Uthando luyabekezela. Uthando lumnene. Noma ngikhuluma ngezilimi zabantu nezingelosi, kepha ngingenalo uthando. Ngithusi elikencezayo engetsayo uthando alusikhukumbezi uthando alusikabisi uthando luyabekesela uthando lumnene oh akukho ukwesaba othandweni oh kepha uthando lukholwa izinto zonke oh yes. Okay. Yeah, guys. I just wanted to keep it nice and short. I just wanted to be, you know, in and out. Yeah. So I'm just gonna enjoy the rest of my Jameson and the rest of my Saturday. I hope you guys are good and that you guys are keeping it cool in lockdown. You know, keep it insane. You know, we all have mental problems, each to their own, each different. But yeah, so alright, almost there. Izovula manje guys country kancane kancane. Yeah, and if you want to know about this, what I'm wearing, and get, you know, I'm gonna leave her details on my on the description down below, okay? And yeah, like obviously guys, it's OJ, name of the brand. It is like nice and warm, papagete, everything that I like in Swiss, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to go chill. I know guys, as ngiyajuluka, but it's because maybe because I had a glass of wine prior. But anyways, because I was doing my makeup, like guys, you know. So I'm just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you didn't, too bad, darling. But yeah, guys, let's keep it moving. We're aiming for 80 now because we're on 70 something. I think we're on 72. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. Keep subscribing. Keep sharing with your friends. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it moving. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Sambin, yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, and if you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up. Yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what else you want me to sing in terms of like music. Even if it's a cover, I'll do it. It's fine. I'll do it. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. Literally wanted to keep it nice and short. It's a Saturday. Sizi chilele. Obviously, lockdown still. Yeah, steady. Yuaini. Jebesini. Pedil stocky. Pedil, guys. We all waited for Monday. Never ever waited for Monday like this unless it was an exam or something. But yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for subscribing. And yeah, guys, share my details at Onela down below. Nithenge guys, amatracksuit uyathungela yena self. Woo! Embroidery. Embroidery. Yabona. Hey guys, kumnandi guys ukugqoka ibrand yomuntu omncane, young and black. Ukusupport nje umuntu oneskill, onetalente. Ay, ay, ay. Vele kuhlangana ama brands, yabo. Vele kuhlangane ukuthi sonke siyasizana, asizaneni guys. Let's all help each other. If you have a business and if it aligns with, me, hlanganiseni guys. Let's create content. Let's keep it moving. Let's support each other. Let's work. I mean, we all need money, Nama koni gig guys, and when we slumping are relevant khona. Ngisize ma ningibuke. Noma ningibukhele kubangani or something, yabo.